Right. Greetings, students. I've had a couple of people email me about turning in work and things like that, so I wanted to take a little short minute to show you just how easy it is to turn in work to me. Here we go. So if I navigate to my page, and this is my AMS page, it's the same on my Black Diamond page. So if I am a 7th grader, I will click on the 7th graders tab. And this week we're in week 5. So I want to go ahead and click on the week 5 link, and it should bring me to this page. Okay, so here are my assignments. Okay, so Monday I want to do which one doesn't belong, which is a Microsoft Forms. Okay, so this right here is the warm-up, and this is like a little Microsoft Forms. This is how all of my assignments are. It's either this or a discussion board post. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and complete my warm-up. So I go here on this box. Notice that if my mouse is inside this box, then I can scroll through the form itself. But if my mouse is outside the box, then I'm going to scroll through the page. So I want to go ahead and complete this form with you watching how I do it. So what is your name? Mr. Richards. You guys will put your name. And what class are you in? So for me, I'm on the 7th grade tab, so I'm in Math 7. Okay, and then these are a couple of questions. It's a popular warm-up that I enjoy doing with my students, and you get to pick which one doesn't belong. Hopefully you come up with a reason and pick which one doesn't belong for whatever reason you think. So I'm going to say this one, and I'm going to say the C doesn't belong bottom right because it's curved. Which one doesn't belong? Oh, I'm going to pick the bottom left because it doesn't have any loop, just an indent. And then 9, 16, 25, 43 is not a perfect square. And I'm going to say the 1 doesn't belong because it's not 5. And this one, I'm going to say this one is the bottom right. Here we go. Okay, cruising through. Adorable puppies. I'm going to say these ones don't belong. Okay, top left. Okay, so I've answered all my questions, which is important. Okay. If I were doing a math assignment, I might be working on a separate piece of paper and just jotting down my answers just in case something happens and I have to leave and come back to it. It won't save any work that you do, which is kind of a drawback. But so I'm done and I click submit, and this should say your response was submitted, which is great. And if it were a math assignment, it should tell you what score you received, and then that way you kind of know if you don't do as well as you want, then just by all means redo it. I have no problem with that. And then once you see this, thanks, your response was submitted, you're done. It will automatically send it to me, and I'll get a copy of it, and I can look over your responses, and then I can enter it into Aries. So as long as you see this page right here, you are done with that assignment. All right, thanks.